clearance. The journey of our authentic mango pickles begins at trusted American farms, where the freshest, firm, and
Our mango pickle production begins with sourcing firm, unripe mangoes from carefully selected farms in California and Florida.
At the farm, experienced agricultural workers handpick the mangoes with great care to avoid bruising or damage.
Each batch of mangoes is logged into our digital traceability system, recording details such as farm origin, harvest. Mangoes are washed using advanced food-grade washing systems that use filtered water and gentle agitation to remove.
In compliance with FDA regulations, approved sanitizing agents are used during washing to eliminate surface.
Our trained American factory workers carefully transfer the freshly cut raw mango pieces from climate-controlled storage to
Our quality control team inspects the washed mangoes to ensure cleanliness and absence of damage caused during washing.
Wait. Our trained American factory workers carefully move the washed and dried mangoes from the washing area to the cutting station.
Depending on the batch size, mangoes are either hand-cut by skilled workers or processed through automated cutting machines to achieve uniform pieces suitable for pickling.
The raw mangoes are cut into uniform cubes or slices, depending on the pickle recipe, to ensure even marination.
Our test. Our quality control team inspects the cut mango pieces for uniform size, firmness, and freshness.
Honestly, each batch of cut mangoes is logged with detailed records, including batch number, cutting time, and quality checks. And
Once cut and inspected, the raw mango pieces are ready to be transferred to the mixing area, where they will be combined.
Completed. Before mixing begins, all mixing vats and utensils are thoroughly sanitized following UAP food safety.
Depending on the recipe, edible oils such as mustard oil and approved natural preservatives are added to enhance flavor.
Our spice blending team measures the authentic mango pickle spice mix precisely, including mustard seeds.
Our quality control team, consisting of a diverse group of inspectors, continuously monitors the mixing process, Using automated mixers or manual stirring tools, the mango pieces and spices are thoroughly combined to. Our quality control team, consisting of a diverse group of inspectors, continuously monitors the mixing process.
Samples from each batch are taken for sensory evaluation and laboratory testing to ensure the pickle meets taste, safety, and quality benchmarks.
Our packaging team sources high-quality, food-grade jars and containers that meet FDA standards, ensuring safety and freshness for our mango pickles.
Before packaging begins, the entire packaging area and all materials are thoroughly sanitized by our maintenance staff to maintain a sterile environment.
Trained American factory workers carefully fill each jar with the mixed mango pickle, ensuring consistent quantity and avoiding spillage.
Each jar is securely sealed with tamper-evident lids and labeled with product information.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain quality and shelf life until distribution.
All packaged products are logged into our inventory system with detailed batch information for traceability and stock management.
Our logistics team coordinates with distributors and retailers to ensure timely and safe delivery of mango pickles across the USA. Throughout the packaging phase, strict adherence to FDA and USDA food safety standards is maintained to guarantee.
Before shipment, each order undergoes a final quality check to verify packaging integrity, labeling accuracy, and product condition.
Products are loaded into refrigerated trucks equipped with temperature controls to maintain freshness during transit.
The current route through the Rockies is clear, but we should reroute the Texas shipment.
Agreed. The incoming weather front makes the northern path more efficient.
Using advanced tracking systems, our team monitors shipments in real time to ensure on-time delivery and address any issues promptly.
Pickles are delivered to retail stores, supermarkets, and distributors nationwide, expanding our reach to pickle lovers everywhere.
Thank you for watching our guide on how to make authentic mango pickles in a factory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.